Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Today we will be seeing how to prepare alchakari using tubers. This alchakari is usually prepared during the month of Kartiga or Kartig Mas in Konkani calendar. Kartig Masa alchakari is prepared during the month of Kartiga as per the Konkani Panchang. During Kartig Masu, no pulses and lentils are consumed. During this month, all the ingredients of alchakari are abundant since it is harvest season for tubers. So in this month, the alchakari is prepared from tubers and raw banana. This is usually served as a side dish along with rice. Now coming to the ingredients. You need equal quantity cubes of kachil, yam, colocasia root, and I have used Sopur Mande or the small variety colocasia root and raw banana. I have used Nendran variety banana, but you can even use Mondan variety banana as well. Salt to taste, darbha salt, that is brindleberry, a small piece. For the masolu or ground paste, you need 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, red chilies, a small spoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. For seasoning, you need oil required for seasoning. I usually use coconut oil for seasoning, a small spoon mustard seeds, a small spoon jeera or cumin seeds, 1 sprig curry leaves, and 1 tablespoon grated coconut. Peel and wash and cut the tubers into almost equal sizes of cubes. Peel and cut the raw banana into cubes. Cook in pressure cooker till done. I usually follow the procedure like transfer all the cut ingredients to the separator of a pressure cooker and add salt and mix well. You need not add water inside the separator, but you have to add the water only into the cooker base. After the first whistle, simmer the flame and cook for 3 minutes. Open the lid of the cooker once it has cooled down. Now coming to how to prepare the alchakari. Transfer the cooked tubers along with cooked raw banana into a vessel. Add water, darbha salt or brindleberry and salt. Remember, you have added salt during pressure cooking, so adjust and add the salt. Now boil this for 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, grind masolu, that is grated coconut, red chilli and turmeric powder to a smooth paste, adding. Once this is done, add the cumin seeds and then give just one turn of your mixer grinder to crush the cumin seeds. Now add the masolu or the ground paste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the raw taste of the masolu goes off. Switch off the. Now heat oil in a kadai for seasoning. Add mustard seeds and when they splutter, add the cumin seeds followed by addition of curry leaves. Pour the seasoning over the alchakari. Now into the same kadai, add a bit more of oil and roast 1 tablespoon of grated coconut till light brown in color. Pour this roasted coconut over the alchakari and mix well. This roasted coconut add taste and aroma to your alchakari. Your alchakari is ready. Serve it along with rice. Thank you for watching my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Please like, share and subscribe.